Hi guys, and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings. One unboxing per day for 31 days. Today it's a really sad day. I will try to control myself because I'm extremely upset. I just unboxed this Prada bag that I'm going to show you guys on my French video. It's a bag I bought about 2 years ago. It's a bag that I just unboxed, I checked, it was perfect, and I put on a shelf. 2 years after, so today, I open it and I see that the bag is ruined. Like, I will show you guys, but I am so upset because I've never worn it. The tag is still on the bag. And I feel it extremely disgusting, and yeah, I do not accept that. That's why I really, if you guys know me, you know I don't like to buy brand new bags because I'm always stressed, you know, to ruin it, to put some stains, or I don't know. So I do really love my vintage bags and my pre-owned bags because I know they are not perfect, they have some flaws, and voila, I can, you know, live my best life with it without being like stressed. Oh my god, it cost me an organ and I don't want to ruin it, and blah 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 blah. That's me. Maybe you're not like this, but that's me. And buying a bag new, which it never happens to me, and seeing that the bag is ruined, I am so upset. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm really sorry about that because I was really, you know, waiting for this unboxing because I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna put this bag with this dress and this no. And now all I want to do is like resell it, or just I don't want to see it anymore because I am angry, and I do understand why people get so like angry when, for example, they buy Chanel bags that cost like 4,000 to 9,000 and there are some flaws, etc. And it's like, it's understandable because Chanel, it's expensive. It's not a Prada bag, so I can feel a little bit of the pain. So let me show you the beauty of the day. So it's this Prada Midolllino straw bag, tote, whatever you want to call this. Let me show you. So the first one that I saw, it was at the back. I saw this stain here, and I was like, it looks like, you know, like a drop of coffee. And then I checked the side, and bim, here too. And then at the front, and I know I didn't buy this bag like this. So I think, and here you can exactly see what happened. The straw, I think, I don't know, the glue or something stained, you know, the fabric, the white fabric. And voila, what do you want me to say? It's a beautiful bag. Like, I really love it. I didn't want to get the one where the fabric is black because I really wanted something light. I think the white works pretty well with the straw material, but it's a bag that you cannot wear it like this. Well, you can, but after some use, you will have, you know, the handles will be like super dirty. So I don't have it here, but I know I bought 2 white twillies, you know, to wrap around so I can protect the handles. But why am I going to protect the handles if the bag is already dirty? Like, I do not accept that. I don't know if I try to clean it with a brush, or if I just sell it, or if I just... It sucks. Let me open it. So here you have, you see, I still have the tag. It's not like I'm lying to you and I went to Ibiza with it and I'm like, oh, no, I still have the tag, and this is not like a bag charm. So no, I didn't use the bag. So let me open it. I'm so angry. Voilà aussi something I didn't understand. The bag comes with a strap, but can someone explain to me why the strap is in this color? It's not white, it's not beige, it's a dark beige, like a taupe or something. Like, why the intern, who did this? Like, who? Don't like it. Let me open it. Now I still have the paper. So at the back you have a zip, and at the front you have like a little pocket. And this is a beautiful, nice summer bag. I really liked it, but you have to be really careful with the handles and the fabric. This is a bag if you want to travel with. Good luck, because if you put it in your checked in luggage, you gotta protect it, because if you have some impact it can break the bag. So you will have to take it as your travel handbag or in your hand luggage handbag. I'm just like checking. I don't know if this is glue or if no, it's invisible. Hold on. Here there is it's an invisible thread. It's not glue. Voila. That's why I like vintage, that's why I like secondhand, and that's why I don't want to give my money to brands that design things and they don't pay attention to the details and to what can happen. I don't know if someone who's watching this video, if you have this bag and if you had the same issue, or if you know that someone had it, just let me know. Maybe I am unlucky and voila, it happened to me and nobody else. But I do not understand why, and I refuse to understand, and I don't understand why they choose this color for the strap, and I am really upset. And when I get upset about a bag, I sell it, or I give it to someone, or like I just don't want to see it anymore. I will try to take a brush and clean it. I'm not sure it's gonna work, and yeah, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, it's it's not it's not always like a happy ending unboxing. And yeah, you have this charm too that comes with the bag, that it's my nose, a little mirror, and voila. I don't have anything else to say about this. I'm just upset. I will keep you updated with what happened with this one. I bought it online. I don't know if I mentioned before, on a Swiss website. I think it cost me between 1,200 and 1,500, and if I knew this were going to happen, I wouldn't have bought it. So voila, guys. Let me know what you think about this beautiful, amazing unboxing. And thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you tomorrow for a better unboxing and a better bag, and yeah, something that will not upset me this much. Guys, thank you. Je vous fais des gros bisous et je vous dis à demain. Bye.